I can't believe my parents won't let me go to the movie. It's not like one night will ruin my exam.
I know, right? I've been studying so hard and a little break won't hurt. They're being so strict.
It's so frustrating. I understand they want us to focus, but we deserve some fun too. Exams are stressful enough as it is.
Exactly. We've been working so hard, and a movie would be a great way to relax and recharge before the exams.
I wish they could just trust us to manage our time effectively. We're responsible enough to balance our studies and leisure activities.
Exams are stressful enough as it is. I just wish they understood that a short break won't make us fail our exams. We need some enjoyment in our lives too, you know?
I guess we'll have to find other ways to de-stress. Maybe we can have a movie night at home or something.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Let's prove to them that we can still have fun without compromising our studies.
I just wish they understood that a short break won't make us fail our exams. We need some enjoyment in our lives too, you know? Agreed. We'll show them that we can handle.
I made this video using Adobe Express and 11 Labs for voiceover. Adobe Express bring your creative ideas to life. To register in Adobe Express, follow these simple steps. Click on the link below in the description. Click on the Sign Up or Register button to create a new account. Launch Adobe Express and select the Create New Animation option. Choose the canvas size and background color for your animation. Upload or record audio. Preview your animation to see how it looks and make any necessary adjustments. And export it as GIF or video to share it with others.
If you want to do animations like these, register to Adobe Express, a free A tool. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.